Hello guys, welcome back. In today's lesson, what I will be teaching you is how to design an in-app support system. Right, in-app support system for user to use. For example, many of us have used Facebook, Google, Instagram, and different kind of or application. When you have issue in the application, they'll tell you, please contact us here. When you click on that contact us, it will take to their support page where you need to fill some basic information about what you are experiencing and what your challenge. So you fill it and submit it. So you wonder how does it works? Yes, so such functionality is what I'm going to teach you how to do in this lesson. So we're going to teach you how to design the UI and how to design the functionality. Then when you submit it, it will directly go to the complete back end or yes, go to the complete back on the complete email direct. And you that submit the request, you also get email notification telling you that okay, we have received your request. This is your ticket ID, and if you have any other query, you can use this ID to say submit. No, just something like that. You understand? Yeah. So that we're also going to be teaching you how to implement in this lesson. Okay. If you have any question, please don't forget to drop your comments. Let me know and I'll be glad to support. I'll be glad to respond back to you. Okay, so that's it, guys, for this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching.